The wind howled through the desolate streets, whispering secrets that had long been buried. Under the pale glow of a flickering street lamp, Sarah stood outside the old Holloway manor, its cracked windows gaping like dark eyes watching her. The townsfolk spoke of strange sounds emanating from within, echoes of laughter turned to screams, and shadows flitting just out of sight. Compelled by a mix of fear and curiosity, she pushed open the creaking door. It groaned in protest, and the scent of dampness swallowed her whole. Inside, her footsteps echoed against the peeling wallpaper, the silence so thick it felt suffocating. The floorboards moaned beneath her weight as she ventured deeper, the darkness wrapping around her like a shroud. A sudden crash echoed from upstairs, making her heart race. Gathering her courage, she climbed the rickety staircase, the wood trembling beneath her. An eerie melody floated down the hall, sweet yet mournful, a child's lullaby she had heard long ago. When she finally reached the room, she found a dusty crib empty, except for a single torn teddy bear. And as she turned to leave, she felt a cold hand grip her ankle, pulling her toward the shadows. The door slammed shut, sealing her with the laughter of a child she never knew she was searching for.